Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and today I'm going to talk to you about the charge of criminal mischief. You heard it, criminal mischief. So what is criminal mischief? Criminal mischief is keying your ex-girlfriend's car, throwing a rock through your boyfriend's window, keying a car, TPing a house with toilet paper, painting something, graffiti, anything that does damage to another person's property. Now the statute, folks, is divided into three sections. There's a second-degree misdemeanor, which is punishable by up to 60 days and a $500 fine. That's anything under $200 and under. Anything above $200 up to $1,000 is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in the county jail, right, and a $1,000 fine. If the damage is over $1,000, then it's a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. So, how often does this charge happen? Quite frequently. Did anyone ever do it? Never. So, what are defenses to a crime that no one ever commits but seems to get charged? Well, if you have proof that you were in another state and the incident happened in Florida on, say, September 20th of 2015, and you weren't in the state, well, that'd probably be a good defense. Or if you're at a dinner party with the governor, and he says, I was there with Mr. Jones. Well, that would be a pretty good defense. Right? What happens so often is that if a car gets bumped or keyed or someone throws eggs, it's automatically the person that individual is having problems with. So if it's an ex-boyfriend, oh, my ex-boyfriend must have keyed my car. Or my ex-girlfriend slashed my tires. All of these things are examples of criminal mischief. They're very common, I'd like to say, with teenagers, right? When we're young, right? When we're making mistakes, where we don't realize the value of property. But guess what, folks? I've represented folks that are in their 50s and 60s on criminal mischief. Now, did my clients do it? Absolutely not. They were found innocent. The charges were dismissed. So, if you're charged with a case of criminal mischief, right? Graffiti. Oh, I forgot to talk to you about graffiti. Graffiti is special. Graffiti is special in that not only can you get that punishment, right, and have to pay restitution, and what I mean by restitution is whatever you damaged, not only do you get a criminal fine, but you got to pay those people back, if you're found guilty or if you take a plea to the charge where you get a withhold of adjudication, meaning, Judge, I'm not saying I did it, I didn't do it, but as a plea of convenience because my attorney is so expensive and the process is so difficult and oh my goodness, I'm going to pull my hair out if I went to trial and possibly could be incarcerated. Well, if that's you and you do graffiti, right, you can also have to be required to do community service hours. Now again, graffiti is one of those things that it really is. It just tends to be young people. It tends to be teenagers up through their 20s. I can't say that I've ever represented someone in their 50s who is, drawing on the side of a high school, but anything's possible. Again, you can be accused of any crime, folks. If you're innocent and you're looking for an attorney to prove your innocence, hence my website, provemyinnocence.com, then reach out to me. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.